Marine Corps' F-18 Hornet is a supersonic aircraft that can do more than any other plane of its kind in the world.
We find we just can't go in slow anymore. The airplanes get shot down. The F-18 can go in fast, get rid of its ordnance accurately, and it can fight its way back out again. Turns on a dime, it'll give you change.
We were flying TF-24, a fully instrumented flight test aircraft. Our mission that day was the last of several evaluation flights designed to determine the maneuvering envelope of the F-18 in the event the pilot found himself with a hung bomb, asymmetric load, and no way home except to make his way through hostile fighter aircraft. We started with a 500-pound dummy bomb on one of the inboard wing stations and worked our way up to this final test, which was done with a 2,000-pound dummy bomb on the outboard station. We gradually increased the speed and the angle of attack during each maneuver on each of the previous flights and configurations. This was the last test point we had to reach. It was to be a wind-up turn holding 0.98 Mach, pulling to achieve 20 degrees angle of attack, then making a rapid, full lateral stick input opposite to the direction of the turn. Once those steady parameters were reached, on all previous flights we'd seen no indication of instability or tendency of the airplane to break out of control flight during maneuvers with asymmetric loads. What happened when I made the required lateral stick input was totally unexpected and became quite a ride, as can be seen from the videotape taken by the telephoto theodolite cameras on the test range. The aircraft recovered from the ensuing departure from control flight in a vertical, nose-down attitude with both engines flamed out. We got the engines restarted and called it a day, landing at PAX without further incident. Damage to the aircraft was relatively minor, considering that the major G-force exceeded 3.8 G's lateral, sideways acceleration, a feat that to my knowledge has never been exceeded in a modern jet fighter. Anything over 2 G's lateral is considered extreme acceleration in flight testing. We had a couple of cracked engine mounts and one of the vertical stabilizers had a crack in it, but that was about all the damage TF-24 sustained. The McDonnell Douglas folks were amazed first that the aircraft would do that, and then more amazed that it would survive that kind of stress.
All all the big dollars. Data, you want a right turn with a left input? That's affirmative. You got it. Whatever your little heart desires. Almost. Waiting for ground coverage. Roger. There's a head reject for you. And we should be all set. Ready? Forward ready. Space will be coming right to the left lateral. Okay. I hope. Looks like the clouds have gotten worse. Still no ground coverage. Come on. One station on, begin maneuver. Roger. Seconds on. Okay, pull her in. See if she'll do it now. Last one. Right engine stalled. 1,000. Is that Wag? You okay, Wag? Check the engine. Now, I lost you at the mount, Wags. Engine's still probably. I got control. Nice one. I'm glad you have control.